Hello everybody, it's William. Welcome to my channel. So you're watching a series of video about 2D game development. It starts with a joke of a splitting llama, and yeah. So I think I really love this idea, and I'm going to make a tutorial about it. And right now we're going to solve the problem of this llama can move a little bit outside of the gaming area, and we don't want that. We need to add a little bit of padding, and I'm going to test it on the go. So in order to test it on the go, I'm going to add a serialized field out so I can actually see that in the inspector panel here. And let's go back to got a lot of project going on, so sorry about that. I'm a little bit crazy. Max project. Yeah, I'm going to add a lot of serialized field in order to do that. So serialized field, and floats, and let's say there will be a padding of. I'm going to be much more specific than that. So I'm going to say the left padding, right padding, something like that. So left padding. We already got it bound. So left padding will be a certain thing. I'm not going to say that because it's already a serialized field. I'm going to change it later on. Don't need to be private. Command D. External. Yeah. Yes. Okay, so is that the shortcut is a little bit different. I got to I have to do something like this: left, right, top, and down. So left and right, and top and bottom, and bottom. Did the bottom spell like this? I'm not sure. Yes, do spell like this. So yeah, and then once you got that, when you compile that, you can actually see all this boundary, and in order to restrain the position, I'm going to make a position of the transform position here. So when you actually add a delta where you move, you need to consider the minimum bound and maximum bound. So this will be x-axis. Let's draw a thing so you can actually see what's going on. So for example, if you got a say x-axis, I don't know what's going on underneath it. So yeah, let's draw something. Okay, so if you got a x-axis and this is x-axis, you're starting with 1, ending with starting with 0, ending with 1, and you move, you clamp everything inside, but you want to add a little bit padding to the left, and you want to add a little bit padding to the right. Probably I'm going to add a lot of padding to the right. Okay, so right padding. Okay, and the left padding will migrate the minimum bound to right, and of course they will decrease the right bound to the left. So this will be a plus and right side will be a minus. Got it? And let's just do it. So let's get the minimum bound here, because it's a clamping function, and we are going to add the left padding to the lower bound and minus a right padding to the right bound. And I think at the same logic, you're going to add a left and right. This will be our y, so we don't want that. So I'm going to add that. Okay, so add this bottom padding to the bottom and subtract a top padding to the top. Yeah, and I'm gonna save it, and I'm going to adjust that on the go. So when you actually play this game, you can see the padding here. So I'm going to just play this game and see the players. I think I attach the control to here. Right now it does not have a padding, and we got movement speed. Let's increase that to say 100. So I quickly test what's going on. So yeah, we got the normal padding working, but yeah, I'm going to add a little padding to the left. Right now I don't know the scale of the padding, so let's just maybe say 10. Okay, so let's test it out. Well, 10 is definitely too much, so maybe 5. Okay, 5 is good, but maybe 2. Okay, I think 2 is good. So you can actually hide your button, the llama's button, of course. Yeah, maybe 3. So we just be here. Okay, that's pretty good. And the top definitely needs a little, maybe 5. Okay. So there's a right padding. Sorry. The top should be 5. Let's test this. Okay, that's perfect. So the top, the llama's head won't go above here, and the bottom, I think I misspelled the bottom. Sorry about that. So I think the bottom spelled like the B-O-T-T O-M. So sorry about that. I will change that later on. Just make a mental note. The bottom should be 5 maybe. Okay, 5. Good. Okay, so good. We got this good padding working. And the right, as I said, we don't want the llama to go too close to the right side. So maybe the right padding would be 10. And let's look at the llama. Okay, so we don't want, yeah, maybe still 15. Maybe 20. Yeah, I think 20 would be good. Maybe 25, just to make it much more safe here. Okay, so yeah, I think that looks pretty good, but I think maybe move it to here. So just give the player a little nudge to the front, just to make it more exciting. Left padding, let's make it 5 so you get a uniform 5. So left padding got 5. And the right got here. So basically this is the area that the player can go. So 5, 25, 5, 5. Only the right is 25. It's easy for me to memorize, and we need to change the button as well. So yeah, let me just memorize that. Yeah, I need to memorize that and go back here. And yep, I am going to say the left padding would be 5. Okay, here's the mental notes working, and the right will be right. I think I already forgot about it. Yeah, so top padding would be 5, and there will be 5. Okay, so, and of course the bottom, I think I misspelled that. Bottom, do I spell correctly? I think maybe correctly, and this is a mistake I need to correct. Okay, so when you play this game again, you can use the latest initialize the default value here. So we update that. I think I need to reset it. Reset it so you got a default value working, and you can get our llama move, but in a certain strength. And I think the move speed is definitely too slow. We want this llama to go crazy, and 5 is not crazy. So what I'm going to do is to add that to say 100. That would be a crazy llama. And yeah, and of course we need to reset it. So I often forget to reset the settings. Yeah, so sometimes the so sometimes the code won't work. Player controller should be 100, have, but yeah, this is my iOS app development, so you don't need to worry about that. But if you're interested, you can go to check that out, of course. And oh, this is my where is it? Super to-do list, William, Crazy Llama, and move speed 100. Already got the 100. Why is yeah, it's just still playing. Sorry about that. So I'm going to reset it, and I got 100. Sorry about that. And yeah, so while you are playing, you can't make the setting work. So we get this Crazy Llama actually working. Okay, that's pretty neat. Okay, I think I already finished what I set out to do. So if you have any more funny suggestions or yeah, just want to hang out, you can leave in the comment section below. Because making games is a great fun, and I believe that coding should be fun as well. So yeah, don't forget, the best way you can do is to support me, and keep the brilliant idea coming is to support my channel by subscribing and give the video a thumb up. Alright, bye.